Before we begin, if you're serious about rebuilding yourself into someone unshakable, someone who doesn't break under pressure, then subscribe to the Stoic guidance, because what you're about to hear might change the way you see yourself forever. Imagine this. You wake up one day and realize something strange. The person you've been living as is not the person you actually respect. Your mind feels scattered, your body feels weak, and your heart feels tired of getting hurt again and again. You try to distract yourself, scrolling, talking, laughing, but deep down, there's this quiet voice saying, "This is not who you're meant to be." Most people ignore that voice. They silence it, they run from it. But you didn't just scroll past this video by accident, because today, we're going to face that voice, and not just hear it, but rebuild everything it's been trying to tell you. These are not soft, feel-good ideas. These are brutal rules, hard, uncomfortable, but powerful enough to rebuild your mind, your body, and your heart from the ground up. Rule number 1, cut the noise, or it will destroy your mind. Look around you. Constant notifications, endless opinions, everyone telling you how to live, how to think, what to feel, and slowly, without even noticing, you lose control of your own mind. You start thinking what others think, wanting what others want, comparing yourself, doubting yourself, overthinking everything. This is how a strong mind becomes weak. A Stoic understands one simple truth. If you don't control what enters your mind, you will never control your life. So here's the hard part. You have to start cutting things off. Not later, now. Reduce the noise, less scrolling, less meaningless conversations, fewer people who drain your energy. Start spending time alone, not because you're lonely, but because you're rebuilding. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Silence will feel heavy. Your thoughts will get louder. Good, because that's where clarity starts. When you sit with yourself, without distractions, you finally meet the real you, the one you've been avoiding, and slowly, your mind becomes sharper, calmer, stronger. You stop reacting to everything. You stop needing validation. You stop caring about things that don't matter. That's the first step. A quiet mind is a powerful mind. Rule number 2, discipline your body, or your mind will never obey you. Let's be honest. You can't build a strong mind in a weak body. Every time you choose comfort over effort, every time you avoid discomfort, you are training yourself to be weak. And life does not reward weakness. A Stoic trains the body, not for appearance, but for control. Because when you push your body beyond comfort, something changes inside you. You wake up early, even when you don't feel like it. You move, even when you're tired. You work, even when it's hard. And in those moments, you're not just building muscle. You're building authority over yourself. That voice that says, "I'm tired. I'll do it later. It's too hard." You stop listening to it, and that is real power. Start simple. Move your body every day. Push a little more each time. Sit with discomfort, and don't run from it. Because the more you train your body to endure, the more your mind learns to obey. And one day, you'll realize something powerful. You don't quit anymore, no matter how hard it gets. Rule number 3, guard your heart, or the world will break it again and again. This one hurts the most, because most people don't realize how open they are with their emotions. They give their energy, their attention, their care to people who never truly earned it. And then they wonder why they feel empty. A Stoic doesn't close their heart, but they protect it. They understand. Not everyone deserves access to your emotions. Not everyone deserves your time, your trust, your vulnerability. You have to learn to step back, to observe people, instead of immediately attaching to them, to control your emotions, instead of letting your emotions control you. Because when you give too much, too quickly, you lose yourself. And rebuilding that version of you is not easy. So stay calm, stay kind, but stay careful. Don't chase attention. Don't beg for love. Don't depend on others to feel complete. Stand strong on your own. And when the right people come into your life, you won't need to force anything, because you'll already be whole. Now listen carefully. If you truly follow these 3 rules, your life will start changing in ways you don't expect. Your mind will stop racing. Your body will stop resisting. Your heart will stop breaking so easily. You'll become someone who doesn't panic under pressure. Someone who doesn't fall apart when life gets hard. Someone who doesn't need constant approval from others. And that kind of person is rare. But here's the truth most people never tell you. This path can feel lonely. Not everyone will understand you. Some people will say you've changed. Some will feel uncomfortable around your discipline, your silence, your strength. Let them. Because you're not here to fit in. You're here to become someone you respect. So the next time you feel like quitting, remember this. Weakness is easy. Comfort is easy. Distraction is easy. But rebuilding yourself, that's where real power begins. And you are capable of it. More than you think. So start today. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Today. Cut the noise. Train your body. Guard your heart. And slowly, piece by piece, build a version of yourself that nothing in this world can break.